Hello and welcome to my channel Blooming Dreams. I hope all of you are very well. I am your friend Aditi and this video contains our second day in London, walking from Tower Bridge to the London Eye while passing the London Bridge, Southwark Cathedral, the Golden Hinde, Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, Millennium Bridge, St. Pauls Cathedral, street performances and more along the River Thames. It's a great walk to do in London to see many of London's top attractions. So we are going to London Bridge tube station and from there Tower Bridge is just few minutes away. The Shad, tallest building in the UK, is located within a few minutes walk from London Bridge Underground station.
Kolkata. Passion is show.
London?
This is the view of Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is London's most iconic bridge, and the best walk in London officially starts from here. Sometimes this bridge, incorrectly called London Bridge, which is a much plainer bridge further along the River Thames that you will see in this video later. And the majestic Tower Bridge spans the water proudly and is an attraction in itself. People can walk across the lower walkway of Tower Bridge to cross the River Thames. If anyone look online for Tower Bridge splitting timings, then they will witness the bridge lifting to let large vessels through to the other side. It's quite a spectacle to see as the road suddenly splits in half to open up. The walk takes a few hours to complete, depends on what you decide to do during your walk and how many stops you make.
পেছনে সেন্ট পলস ক্যাথিড্রাল উঁকি মারছে। এটা হচ্ছে স্কাই গার্ডেন।
This is the view of Southwark Cathedral, London. It's a Gothic-style building, a place of worship for over 1,000 years, and worth a look inside for a moment of peaceful contemplation. The Golden Hinde is a 16th century galleon, and it is placed in the middle of the city. Shakespeare's Globe Theatre is a reconstruction of the original Globe Theatre that is only 750 feet from this, where many of Shakespeare's plays were first performed. Tate Modern is a must to visit if you are a fan of modern art. The Millennium Footbridge is located just outside the Tate Modern and links the Southbank to London City via St. Paul's Cathedral. This is the view of the Millennium Wheel or the London Eye, the world's tallest cantilevered observation wheel. The Westminster Bridge, London, is the finish of the Queen's Walk and leads to the House of Parliament. From here, you will have a fantastic view across the River Thames to the House of Parliament and Big Ben. It was previously the Westminster Palace. In the 11th century, a royal palace was erected on this site for the kings of England. Then fire destroyed much of the complex in 1512. It was later rebuilt and used as the parliament. I hope you liked this view of London for our second day travel. Our day 3 travel or next part is also very interesting. It's all about London Zoo. So wait and watch, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, share and press the bell icon to receive every upload. Keep your eye for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.